Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we have 20 contestants on 3 days answering 5 questions in order to win a prize. They received 1 point for every correct answer, and the number of contestants receiving a given score on each day is shown in this table. So for example, on day 1, 2 people got 5 out of 5. So we're told that no contestant received the same score on 2 different days. And if we're selecting a contestant at random, what is the probability that the selected contestant scored a 5 on day 2 or day 3, given that they scored a 5 on any of the days? So, how many people scored a 5 on any of the days? Well, we know it's 2 plus 2 plus 3, right? We know that these 2 people are different from these 2 people, are different from these 3 people. We know these are all different people because no one received the same score on 2 different days. So the probability is going to be we're looking for the probability that they scored a 5 on day 2 or 3. And this is out of the number of people who scored a 5 on any day. And again, we were just looking, scoring a 5 on any day, it's 2 people plus 2 people is plus 3 people. And scoring a 5 on day 2 or 3 is just these 2 people plus these 3 people. This is equal to 2 plus 3 is 5 over 2 plus 3, 2 plus 2 plus 3 is 7, right? Day 1 is 2, day 2 is 2, day 3 is 3. So 2 plus 2 plus 3. Your probability is going to be 5/7. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.